Hi, I'm Karen Brown, the Maker Mover Business Coach and founder of Monday's Makerspace and Supply near Boise, Idaho. Since 2007, we've been helping makers, artists, fiber artists, fine artists, make businesses of what they love to do. But we are going to be giving away my 6-week, nearly $700 e-course on how to build a business from what you make, called the Maker Masterclass. Now the reason that we would do this is that we listen to you. We get messages on Facebook, we get emails into the website contact form, and we get product reviews back. The next questions that come after you learn how to use your equipment are really basic but super important. Who can I sell to and where are they? On the internet or in my town? How do I price my products for sale? How do I determine the price and will people pay me enough? Which platform do I use to sell on? Is it Etsy, Shopify, WordPress, Instagram, Facebook? How do I handle marketing? I'm not a digital tech person, or I kind of get it, but do I click the boost button on Facebook? How do you get the word out there? How far do I want to take this? I want to leave my day job, but I don't know if I can handle the entire scope of a homemade business. We can help answer all these questions. My students are getting really fast results, so I'm going to include some testimonials below. If you've made it this far and you're watching this video, I know it's for you. This is for makers who are selling a little and want to see it explode. This is for hobbyists who have a lot of fiber and intend to pay for the farm. So we get this question all the time. How do I pay for feed? I have 40 alpacas, now I've got wool, now what? This is for the maker or the inventor or the artist who wants to leave their day job to create a better life. So that's who it's for. I think you'll benefit from the class greatly, no matter where you're at in business. I do work with very large businesses and I help them with marketing, traffic and sales and a bunch of other crazy words. But my heart is for the maker. My heart is at the ground level because that's where I've started, and I believe things can be incredibly simple and that you can actually have a day job from your making. We know you don't have a lot of time, you're juggling a lot of things. So this is how to get the offer. It's crazy simple. Add the piece of equipment to cart, check out as normal, and you'll get an invite to my masterclass. You'll see the deadlines below that are very serious. We are going to close the masterclass in time to keep the group very small. So the bonus masterclass will include 6 free pre-recorded videos that I have my students go through at the price tag of $697. At the end of that 6-week masterclass, they are set up completely to double their sales. I can't promise income coming into your business, but if you do the work, you're going to see a major change. And I want to help you lay a foundation for what you've been striving so hard to do. You also get access to the private Facebook group that comes with the masterclass. Within that Facebook group, I do show up live once a week and I answer questions directly. I also give you access to my Maker Mover coaching pages message box. So when you have specific questions about setting up your platform and so forth, you can actually find me, not just a robot, not a staff member. It is really me. I love to help you with your business directly. I feel like that's where I'm the most effective. Now, if you look below, there are some deadlines. You need to sign up by the first deadline if you would like some extra bonuses, okay? So for every large piece of equipment, we're also including some consumable materials, things that we think you'll use for your production business. And so you're gonna see a pre-sale deadline. If you know that you're in a position to move quickly with your business, then this is the season to change it. We're headed into the holidays, folks. We know that sales are gonna go up. We have a very short time frame to affect the basic moving parts of our business and to stop some cycles that have been keeping us in the kind of the working too hard loop. The second deadline is the absolute cutoff. That is the drop deadline. That is the last day we're going to let people into the masterclass. If we run out of space to the free class, the equipment will still be for sale, but you'll see this offer disappear because we don't want the class too big. Look for the 2 deadlines below. Join me in the masterclass. Feel free to ask any questions you have by the contact button at mondays.com, and I can't wait to meet you and your maker business in person.